Okay, next. A negative 2.5% grade is connected to a positive 1% grade by means of a 180-meter vertical curve. PI is at station 100 and the elevation is 100 meters above sea level. What is the station of the lowest point on the vertical curve? Okay, so drawing natin. So, ito kunwari yung negative 2.5 na tangent. Ito naman kunwari yung positive 1. No? So, i-connect yan ng vertical curve. Okay, ayan. Na ang sukat ay, ang haba ay 180. Okay? Ito yung PI. Yung PI ay nasa station 100 plus 00 at nasa elevation 100. The question is, pinapahanap yung lowest point or station ng lowest points ng curve. Okay? Well, to find the lowest point, we can make use of the grade diagram. So let's say ito yung lowest point. No? Okay, so assume lang yan na yan yung lowest point or tinatawag din natin na turning point. So kapag kapinlat natin yung slope or grade diagram ng vertical curve, ang magiging itsura ay ganito. Dito meron tayong slope na equivalent dun sa grade nito which is 0.025 which is negative, no? So ibig sabihin nandito yan sa baba. And then sa kabilang side, ang grade naman nito ay positive 1% or 0.01. Okay, so nandito naman yan, no? So therefore, ito ngayon yung grade diagram. Okay? Dito sa turning point, di ba, ang palatandaan para maging lowest point, kailangan yung slope dyan 0. Kaya 0 ito. Okay, so bali ganun lang, hahanapin lang natin ngayon gaano ito kalayo. Tawagin natin na S1. So kung S1 yan, itong kabila, 180 minus S1. And we can just apply ratio and proportion, no, to solve for S1. So by ratio and proportion, we have S1 over 0.025 equals 180 minus S1 over 0.01. And from here, we can solve for S1. Okay, and that is at 128.57. Okay, so ibig sabihin, yung kalahati nito, yung kumbaga yung kalahati nung simple curve, no? Hanggang dito yung sa PI. Na hindi lang accurate yung drawing, pero 'di ba sa PI half dapat ito. So ibig sabihin kung 180, 90 ito. Okay? At yung nakuha natin na S ay 128.57. So para makuha natin yung stationing nito, kailangan lang natin malaman ano itong distance na to. Okay? And as you can see from the drawing, this is just 128 minus 90. Okay? And that gives us 38.57. No? Okay? 38.57 meters. So therefore, the stationing of the turning point or the lowest point would be 100 plus 00 plus 38.57 meters. Okay? So again, ito naka-kilometer ito. O di kaya hindi pala naka-kilometer, naka-ano yan. Bali ito pala yung kilometer. No? Kasi 3 zero yung nasa harapan. So dito ano to? 100 or 10 kilometer ito. No? Okay? So anyway, so i-add natin siya dito lang, no? So we have 100 plus 38.57. So that will be the stationing of the lowest point. Okay, so that's how you solve this problem.